All right, today is Wednesday. I don't know, what is it? Around 9 o'clock. Just went up to the store and we changed our mind. We're going to get the guy to do the painting. And we figure at, 500 pesos, $10. Let him do the painting. Plus, the paint smell is really hard. It's really strong. And Luisa doesn't like to smell the paint. And I myself don't care for it either. But yeah, he's going to do the painting today. We're actually out running around trying to find the deals, the bargains. We're out right now trying to get the best deal on Red Horse, San Mig Light, and San Mig Pilsner. We stopped up at JJ's and got a price there. Stopped at another place, that a distributor that sells, and now we are up here by SM Malls, right up here. Actually to the right, actually right up over that walking bridge right here. I'll take you to SM, but there's a distributor there on the right hand side, and Luis is in there right now getting prices on everything. And I don't know, this is the start of our day, and I'm sure we're going to be doing a bunch of things today. So
alright guys, our showcase is finally arrived. Brian wants me to do this. Ba't kasi diyan na lang, o doon sa ano loob. Okay, diyan na lang, kami na lang mag-ayos niyan. Ha? Okay, they put the cover on. Wala. Everything is set. Okay na? Thank you. Is it nice, boards?
Yeah, it was very nice, but one thing, you don't have any handles in here.
That's fun.
We should
Put handle, huh?
handle your hands. Plain on it.
all right, you got these guys here. They go around and they sell the sodas. I don't know if they sell alcohol or not, but always I see a soda here. What they do is they go around and they sell these sodas here. I don't want to get hit. But they sell soda, and they go from sari-sari store to sari-sari store, and they sell them. Now you can go that route if you want. I'm going to walk down the road here. You can go that route if you want. Our friend, she does that. And what happens is, a lot of times people go that route here because they have no cars to get to the distributors. These guys are actually getting it from the distributors and then going around here and selling them for their price. They got to mark it up some for their time and, gas and whatever. But now, today, earlier this morning, Luisa went to a couple of the distributors themselves, and we actually got, really good price at one of the distributors, and it's not too far from where we live, so we're going to go with them when it comes to, buying sodas and beer and things like that. But like I said, different routes you can go. But yeah, that's the route we're going to go. We're going to go with the distributors, buy directly from them. All right, we're up here at Luisa's friend's place, the one that has a sari-sari store, and she's only a few blocks over from where we're at. And they've been talking, and she's been kind of helping Luisa out, telling her where to buy things at good prices. Evidently, there's somebody that comes around in this area, and they're buying things directly from the warehouse itself, like shampoos and soaps and just different packets of things that, you know, people buy here, and they actually sell it not a lot cheaper, but a little bit cheaper than up at the stores. So, you know, every little bit helps. But yeah, she's really, you know, really helping Luisa out as far as, you know, telling her where to get the good deals at and things like that. Right now they're down the road, and they're getting the jugs of water that they sell around here, and we're getting it at 25 pesos for a jug. Back at our apartment where we're living, I think we pay about 30 pesos. So, you know, it depends on where you live. Up around our area, there's a lot of expats up in that area, and you know, they can get the price for, you know, the water up there. People are going to pay it. Where if you come down here in a smaller area, you know, you're going to always find things a little bit cheaper. But anyways, here they come right now from wheeling and dealing, getting our water. And of course, I sat up here because when it comes to dealing, got to send Lut. Roosters. What'd you find out, Lut? What was the deal? Huh? How much for the gallon?
150.
For how many?
For $1.
1 gallon. I thought they were 25 pesos.
If you have already...
Okay. 25 pesos is the exchange. To buy it at first is 150. All right, so we're home right now. It's about 3:45. Kind of just went around today looking for, you know, deals when it comes to, you know, buying beverages and things like that, because, you know, that's going to move and that's going to sell. And we found a couple places, and maybe one place might be a peso or two cheaper than the other store, and, you know, vice versa. So do I really want to run all over town, you know, trying to find, you know, or trying to get, you know, a deal on the soda, a deal on, you know, the alcohol? Nah, you know what? There's one distributor that we're going to go with, and they seem to have the best deals with everything. But I just seen the cabinet got delivered today. The guy was in, the carpenter was back in today, and he finished painting up the rice bin, and he painted up the shelving and everything, so that's good to go. But couldn't hang out in there, man. The fumes are actually worse. The paint smell is worse than paint back in the United States. You know, you have oil-based paint, and then you have, you know, water-based paint. I think it's called water-based paint. But anyways, that oil-based paint, like, man, it really stinks. And I couldn't hang out in there. I mean, it stank, and I know Luisa said it stank. But yeah, so that's all painted. I think tomorrow she's gonna go up to Genra and start doing some shopping up there for different items and stuff. Yeah, I'll be along, and make sure we catch that on tape. But, you know, it's just a kind of like a, I don't know, like lazy kind of day. Didn't really feel like doing too much. You know, just one of those days. But I think I'm going to close this one out. So tomorrow's another day, and adventure will continue tomorrow.